slim, thick. She might drug, she might fix. And I'm all up in her mix. She be mixing with the wrist. She the plug, she finesse. She the one they call the ghost.
What's up, guys? So when I train 6 days a week, I try to get in a full body HIIT workout at least once. For this HIIT workout, I decided to go with a full body barbell workout. This workout consists of 4 different rounds. Each round has at least 3 different exercises. Each round should be completed 3 times before you move on to the next round. Prior to my workout, I warmed up using my tube resistance bands that I got from PROSOURCEfit.com. If you would like to check these bands out, I will leave a link down below in the description box. I will also link down below other HIIT workouts that I have available on my channel. If you would like to see more workouts like this, do me a favor, give this video a thumbs up and comment down below. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Be sure to hit that subscribe button if you would like to see more workout videos. Thanks for watching.
She that bitch, she a dollar, not a dime. Super thick, super fine, most important, super smart,